Don't have much time. Let's
Go on.
keep some brief questions and answers. Fawad Chowdhury, who we've had on this show, who was very loyal to you but now has quit politics, saying he can't work with you anymore. He said the other day, he said, you, Imran Khan, have to find a way to build bridges to the mainstream politicians. And he even mentioned Nawaz Sharif. He said the country is on the brink of a terrible crisis, and it's incumbent upon you to put your own interests aside and reach out to Nawaz Sharif and others. Are you prepared to do that?
The fact that the country is on the brink of a major disaster is true. We really are heading what I feel are the dark ages, because we basically have an undeclared martial law in Pakistan. I mean, the country evolved towards a democratic process over last 20 years, and suddenly there's no media which is free, and the judiciary, they're trying to control that. So we are heading in the dark ages. But what is the answer? Is the answer to shake hands with people who've been robbing this country for 30 years? I came into politics because the two families had destroyed our country economically. I came in because I wanted to bring the powerful under the rule of law, which is why my party was called Movement for Justice, Rule of Law. And now, am I supposed to join the same people who are responsible for destroying the rule of law in this country, who are above law, so that I again, what for? To come into power? I'd rather not come into power. I'd rather stay in the opposition.
But let's stick
What's
with
the
this
point
idea.
of coming into power if you can't bring justice here?
Right.